HP's multi-jet fusion technology produces quality, functional parts at a production speed which is up to 10 times faster than today's competing products. Unlike the slow point processes of some current technologies, HP's multi-jet fusion technology processes parts in 2 fast, area-wide passes to achieve top-speed part production. The process begins by applying a layer of material in a work area. In the opposite direction, in one continuous pass, we print fusing and detailing agents across the full working area. This pass combines the printing with the fusing energy, and the process is then completed. HP's proprietary architecture is capable of printing 30 million drops per second along every single inch of bed width, enabling extreme precision and dimensional accuracy. To produce truly functional parts, it's important to ensure that the material has been properly fused and that part edges are smooth and well-defined. To achieve part quality at speed, HP invented a multi-agent printing process. In this process, a fusing agent is applied on a material layer where the particles are meant to fuse together. A detailing agent is applied to modify fusing and create fine detail and smooth surfaces. The area is exposed to energy, and reactions between the agents and the material cause the material to selectively fuse together to form the part. The fusing process requires accurate temperature control across the entire material layer. HP Multi-Jet Fusion's closed-loop thermal control system does this by measuring temperatures at hundreds of points on the material bed. This information then determines which areas receive more energy to raise the temperature and which areas are cooled, allowing for control of thermal bleed and layer-to-layer fusing and cooling. The result is full control over mechanical properties, dimensional accuracy, and repeatability. The process is then repeated until a complete quality, truly functional part has been formed. This is how HP's proprietary AreaWide Processing compares with existing popular point processing technologies for building functional parts. In the time it takes these slower point processes to build 1,000 parts, HP's multi-jet fusion technology would have created several thousands of parts. Using HP's proprietary multi-agent printing, the HP multi-jet fusion technology achieves new levels of part quality at these breakthrough speeds.